Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download video from Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you need to do is you simply need to go ahead, open up your Telegram app, make sure it's available in your country and that you have updated your app as well. Then what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead, tap on a chat where you have a random video that you would like to download. So for example, this is the one. So I'm going to go ahead, tap on this, this cloud download icon. So I'm going to tap on it. And there you go. It's going to take a little bit of time. And now it's already downloaded. And then what you need to do is you're simply going to go ahead, long press on it. And then you will find this option of save video. I'm going to go tap on save video. And just have to wait for it to be saved. And there you go, the video has been saved. So all you have to do is now go ahead, go back and check it on your gallery. And there you go, the video will be right there, saved over there, and that's it. That's what you can do. All you have to do is navigate to your Telegram and then go ahead, go to a particular chat and long press on it till you get the option of save video. Tap on it and there you go, your video is saved. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.